All right, let's open this package up. So this is a watch that I recently bought and arrived this morning. And here we have it. It's the Hamilton Jazzmaster Day Date, reference H3250531. Case dimensions, it's a 40 millimeter case. Thickness is, well, let's see. About 11.75. Lug to lug, 49 millimeters. Takes any 20 millimeter strap. We've got the automatic. Let's get this open here. Got a butterfly clasp, which is really nice. Love the seamless kind of look of that. And then you've got Hamilton's H40 caliber, self-winding caliber on the inside there, which is just a beautiful movement. So I picked this up for 510 Canadian shipped, so that's about 370 USD, and it is got a couple nicks there, but honestly, gorgeous condition. This is just such a beautiful dial. So this watch has a power reserve of 80 hours, which is crazy to me. Most of my watches are much less than that. Let's see how it fits. So on my 6.5-inch wrist, it fits perfectly. I knew that when I bought it. Didn't come with any extra links. So it fits my wrist, won't fit larger wrists, but what a gorgeous watch. Love the dial, love how clean it is and the indices. And this is just a really comfortable watch.